Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Our goal is simple, clear reviews, real opinions, and no confusion. Everything you need is right here. Are you looking for the top 5 best 360-degree dash cams 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The Rode Witness 4K 360 degrees dash cam is a powerful all-in-one security solution designed to give your car complete protection and peace of mind. Featuring a 4-channel recording system, it captures ultra-clear 4K video from the front while also monitoring the rear, interior, and surroundings, ensuring full 360-degree coverage at all times. Equipped with advanced super night vision technology, this dash cam delivers sharp and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The included 128 gigabytes memory card allows you to store hours of important recordings without worrying about extra purchases. With built-in GPS, you can accurately track your driving routes, speed, and location data. The fastest 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection ensures quick video transfers to your smartphone through a dedicated app, making it easy to review and share footage instantly. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, allowing you to operate key features safely while driving. Additionally, the 24/7 parking monitoring feature keeps your vehicle protected even when parked, automatically detecting impacts or suspicious activity. The Rode Witness dash cam is a smart investment for safety-conscious drivers. Number 2. The Freaxer 4K 360 degrees dash cam is a complete car security solution designed to give drivers total peace of mind. Featuring a powerful 4-channel recording system, this advanced dash camera captures ultra-clear footage from the front, rear, left, right, and inside your vehicle, ensuring full coverage from every angle. The crisp 4K resolution delivers sharp details, making it easier to read license plates and capture important moments on the road. Built-in GPS tracking records your driving routes and speed data, while the fast 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection allows seamless video transfer to your smartphone through the dedicated mobile app. With superior night vision technology, the camera maintains excellent video clarity even in low-light conditions. The Freaxer dash cam also supports voice control, allowing hands-free operation for safer driving. Loop recording and emergency lock features automatically save important footage during sudden impacts or accidents. Whether for daily commuting, ride-sharing, or road trips, the Freaxer 360 degrees dash cam is a smart investment for safety, security, and reliable driving evidence. Number 3. The IIWEY N6 360 degrees dashcam 4-channel is a complete security solution designed to protect your vehicle from every angle. Featuring full HD front, rear, and interior cameras, this advanced dash cam provides clear and detailed footage whether you're driving, parked, or ride-sharing. With its 360-degree coverage, you never miss important moments on the road. Equipped with the latest 5.8G Wi-Fi 6 technology, the IIWEY N6 offers ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second. Using the dedicated mobile app, you can easily view live footage, download videos, and adjust settings directly from your smartphone. The included free 128 gigabytes memory card ensures plenty of storage for your recordings. For nighttime safety, the dashcam features 8 infrared IR lights that capture sharp interior footage even in low-light conditions. Loop recording and G-sensor technology automatically save important clips during sudden impacts. Easy to install and reliable in performance, the IIWEY N6 dashcam is an excellent choice for drivers who want safety, convenience, and peace of mind on every journey. Number 4. The PRUVEEO 360 degrees 4-channel dashcam is a complete security solution designed to give drivers total peace of mind. Featuring 4 cameras that record the front, rear, interior, and side views, this advanced dash camera provides full 360-degree coverage of your vehicle. Whether you're driving, parking, or ride-sharing, every important detail is captured in crisp, high-quality video. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, the camera allows you to track driving routes, speed, and easily transfer videos to your smartphone through a dedicated app. Its superior night vision technology ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions, making it reliable both day and night. The 24/7 parking mode monitor adds an extra layer of protection by automatically recording any motion or impact while your car is parked. With loop recording and G-sensor emergency lock features, important footage is always safely stored. Easy to install and user-friendly, the PRUVEEO 4-channel dashcam is ideal for personal vehicles, taxis, and rideshare drivers who want maximum protection, security, and evidence on the road. Number 5. The IIWEY 4-channel dashcam is a powerful all-in-one security solution designed to give your vehicle complete 360 degrees protection. Featuring Sony STARVIS 2 sensor technology, this dashcam captures crystal-clear footage with a 2.7K front camera, 2K rear camera, and dual 1080p interior cameras, ensuring every angle is covered day and night. With advanced night vision 3.0 and 8 infrared LEDs, the interior cameras record clear video even in total darkness, making it perfect for rideshare drivers and personal security. The intelligent PlateTag AI technology enhances license plate readability, helping you capture important details when it matters most. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers to your smartphone through the dedicated app, while the integrated GPS records your driving route and speed for added evidence and tracking. Its loop recording and G-sensor automatically save important footage during sudden impacts. Easy to install and user-friendly, the IIWEY 4-channel dashcam is an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable, high-quality surveillance and peace of mind on every journey.